Hello everyone, this is Raptor. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back in another YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get an early update of my upcoming videos. So in this video, I will share with you guys a new and very interesting DePIN project for the ship tracking. Yes, you heard right. So we will discuss about the project, how you can earn reward while tracking ships with the Mastchain, and in the last I will show you how you can purchase the Mastchain plug and play miner at discounted price. So let's get started. Okay guys, so after so many months I have finally get you a new DePIN project called Mastchain. So as you can see, I'm on the mastchain.io website. So this is the new DePIN project for the ship tracking. As you can see on their website, Mastchain decentralized ship tracking powered by people like you. Mastchain is a global network of independent AIS receiver capturing live vessel data. Set up a node, contribute maritime coverage, and become a part of the infrastructure the shipping industry relies on. So let's talk about more about it. Okay, 200 plus nodes, 7,000 plus vessels daily, 20 plus countries. Okay, if you go down, you can see what is AIS. AIS, automatic identification system. The AIS normally uses in the maritime. Ships will use this software for the real-time positioning. AIS is the global standard for vessel tracking. Ships broadcast their position, speed, and identity every few seconds. Mastchain collects this data through a decentralized network of ground-based receiver. This project is just like the Wingbirds project, but completely different. In the Wingbirds, you can deploy the station on your rooftop and you can track the airplanes, but in the Mastchain you are tracking the ships. So the important thing for the Mastchain, you need a clear ocean view. In the Wingbirds you need clear sky view, but in the Mastchain the factor is completely different. You need a complete ocean view to be able to track the ships. So the users who live near the ocean will get the benefit from the Mastchain. What is a DePIN network? So if you don't know what is DePIN, DePIN is stands for decentralized physical infrastructure network. You can check out my channel. I have made some videos about the different DePIN projects that you can deploy in your home, and in the return you will get some rewards. Okay, how it's work? Deploy AIS receiver. Set up an AIS receiver or Mastchain ready node to capture live vessel signals from your area. Mastchain verifies data. Receive Mastchain token. Contributors receive Mast tokens that reflect the quality, reliability, and coverage area of their node. Tokens are distributed according to the network verification protocol. Mastchain is building on the peak blockchain, so the token is not live yet. When the Mastchain goes to the mainnet, the token will live on the peak blockchain. Okay, your ocean, your data, your dashboard. So you can check out Mastchain dashboard by clicking this button. Okay, let's talk about the project. So as you can see, Q3 2025 MVP and early network launch. Mastchain MVP goes live, proving that real ship signal can flow through a DePIN network built for global coverage. More than 200 contributors begin earning tokens through early data participation, giving crypto users their first chance to join an emerging Web3 infrastructure project. So I think you can read everything about the Mastchain on their website. Check out, link is available in the video description. I will just cover the important steps. Okay, so as you can see, Q2 2027 mainnet and token generation event TGE is expected at Q2 2027. The Mastchain launches on mainnet with Mast as the token that powers reward, validation, and contributors incentives. Early crypto project adopters gain access to a functioning network where participation creates measurable value. Okay, in the Q4 2027, global expansion and different partnerships. Okay, 500 million cap total supply, decentralized, and 2 years halving. After the 2 years, like the Bitcoin, the Mars token will halve. Okay, guys, so let's talk about token allocation of the Mastchain. The Mast tokens powers the entire Mastchain ecosystem, from rewarding contributors to fueling innovation, liquidity, and long-term growth. Okay, 65% goes to the rewards and mining, 10% core team and advisors, 10% ecosystem growth fund, 5% exchange liquidity and market making, 5% project treasury reserve, and 5% for pre-sale. Also, you can join the pre-sale. Okay, guys, so meet the team. The Mastchain team is fully doxed. You can see the team info on the Mastchain website. The co-founder and CEO is Owen Taylor, the co-founder and CTO Daniele Brazzolotto, and the engine Dennisman, strategic infrastructure advisor. Okay, guys, so now let's talk about how you can join the Mastchain. Well, there are two ways to join the Mastchain. The first one is the DIY. Yes, you can join the Mastchain with the DIY, Raspberry Pi, and the AIS antenna, like the Wingbits. So as you can see, I'm on the Mastchain.io dashboard. Here is your mining dashboard. Unfortunately, I don't have any miner because I live far from the sea. So here is the Explorer. Okay, here is the coverage map. As you can see, I don't get this still. You can see some hexes around the countries. As you can see, the users who live near the ocean will get benefit from the Mastchain. This is amazing. Wow, you can see the Gulf region. If you guys are interested to join the Mastchain DIY program, you can check out the link available in the video description. Use my referral link and set up your first station to the Mastchain. And don't forget to use my code as you can see on your screen for some bonus rewards. And also you can share your code to other friends and earn 30% bonus from their earnings. Okay, guys, so I just want to let you know that if you are interested to joining the DIY program for the Mastchain, you can still join the DIY, but when the Mastchain will go live on the mainnet, you don't join the DIY program. And the only way to join the Mastchain will be the MastNode plug and play miner. But if you make account today with my referral link, after the mainnet, you can still join the Mastchain DIY program. If you are planning to join in the future, the first thing you need to do that join the Mastchain.io dashboard. Link is available in the video description. So you can join the Mastchain DIY program in the future. Okay, guys, so the second way to join the Mastchain is the MastNode. So here is the plug and play DePIN Miner. You can purchase it and set it up and forget it. And this miner will do all the work. So this is the decentralized AIS infrastructure node. Industrial grade, compact plug and play AIS data collection device. Contribute high quality AIS data to the Mastchain network and earn rewards for your participation. So this is just like the GeoNet and the Wingbits receiver. Okay, about the MastNode. MastNode is a compact industrial grade AIS infrastructure node designed for decentralized maritime network. It enables individuals and organizations to collect high quality AIS data and contribute it securely to the Mastchain ecosystem. Guys, this device is amazing. You can see, you can plug in your AIS cable here, USB type C, A, B, I think this is the power button. Oh, power button on the back side, Wi-Fi antenna, GNSS port, and the LAN port. Why MastNode? Reliable dual channel AIS, plug and play deployment, flexible connectivity, built-in security. So you don't have to worry about the programming and setting up your Raspberry Pi. And I I have the Wingbits Raspberry Pi unit, but I've got so many issues with it. So the plug and play devices are very amazing and user friendly. You can just set it up and forget it, and you just earn rewards for your contribution. Okay, here are the technical specification of the MastNode. You can see, and here you can see what's inside the box. So you will get one Mons Pro MastNode, one 10-meter RJ58 antenna cable. Okay, so here is the antenna, 1.2-meter modular AIS antenna, and one USB Type-C power cable. Power adapter not included. You will need 5-volt 3 ampere power adapter to run this device. Okay guys, how you can purchase the Mons Pro MastNode? Well, you can purchase it from the Helium Deploy. As you can see on their website, MastNode drop is coming in 3 days, 22 hours on Tuesday, May 26, in partnership with the 4D Sky. So MastNode coming to the Helium Deploy. You can purchase it from there for just $650. So this is the AIS receiver for the Mastchain. You can set it up on your rooftop and you can earn the Mast tokens reward. You can see the device. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, what it earns: Mastchain rewards today and Mast in the future. At this time you only earn the Mastchain points, and in the future when the Mast token will go live, you will earn the Mast reward. Early operators set the coverage map and earn the first mover bonuses. What's include: Mons Pro MastNode main unit, dual band AIS antenna, USB-C power cable, Ethernet cable, and the quick start guide. And also, if you purchase from the Helium Deploy, you will get 3 free months of Mastchain DePIN Tracker Pro, value $150 US. If you guys are interested to purchase the Mons Pro MastNode, check out, link is available in the video description, and don't forget to use my coupon code Raptor for some discount on the MastNode. It will go live in less than 4 days. Reserve your spot by providing your email address on the Helium Deploy. As soon as I get the Mons Pro MastNode device, I will definitely make an unboxing, setup and review video on the MastNode. So please stay tuned for it. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. In the conclusion, I will recommend you to get this MastNode plug and play miner because this is very easy to set up. You just need to deploy the antenna on your rooftop like the Wingbits and plug in the cable to the MastNode device and forget it. And this device will earn you the Mast tokens reward. Let me know guys what you think about the Mastchain. As you can see how you can earn rewards by providing the AIS data to the Mastchain network while tracking ships. So this is very interesting. As always, this is not a financial advice. This video is not for financial advice purpose. Always do your own research before purchasing the crypto mining devices. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and share, and if you guys have any question related Mastchain project, please comment down below. So if you want to join the Mastchain Discord, link is also available in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later in the next video. Keep mining, stay safe. Goodbye.